So we have come to an end of a very exciting competitive cricket tournament. So this was among the most controversial free tournaments, which is good and bad in both ways. So big round of applause to the entire Ajmera Infinity cricket community. When we started this tournament, it started on a very tough note. We had lost one of our teammates, seniors, and a very dear friend who played with us, and we had different ideas on how we pay a perfect tribute to him. So we looked at how the armed forces do. So armed forces have a tradition when their teammates are missed, then they do the missing formation in the Indian Air Force. So we have the t-shirt of Santosh Bhai. So we'll start the proceedings by taking a group photo with his t-shirt in the way Indian Air Force does in his remembrance. So I'd like to invite everybody to come forward, or let me, everybody can be there. We'll just come forward. Ankit Bhai. नहीं इधर ही ले लेते हैं ना इस तरफ, which ultimately creates winners. So the best fielders award goes to Mithun Pujari. अबे कौन है? अनिरुद्ध, अच्छे फील्डर से दिलवाना है. So last 3 overs of the final, while the game was on, there was another internal battle going on among the Yuvas on who would snatch the best bowlers trophy. Amrish Bhai was bowling, Ajit Bhai was catching, Ajit was bowling, Amrish Bhai was catching, and Amrish Bhai took the catches, but he did not miss snatching the best bowlers trophy. To give credit, there are 2 bowlers with 13 wickets, but because Amrish Bhai had a better average and economy, he has stolen the.
Longest run bowler.
Now, the award for the best batsman who scored the most amount of runs. So it comes from the team where not many people contributed. It is Shashwat, like Anirudh to come forward. ले लो. आप दे दो, second off. So, the final individual trophy is the most valuable player award that calculates every aspect of the game: fielding, batting, bowling, and this time also managing a captain. So, I'd like to first invite Ankit Bhai to come forward. And I hand over the stage to him to please welcome the most valuable player in his own style.
Guys, for Ankit Bhaiya. Captain.
Guys, give it out for one of the most talented all-rounders out here. I think he is इच्छाधारी. जब चाहेगा तभी out होगा. Let's give it out for Ajit. Ajit.
पीछे पीछे बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर
ये वाला है?
Hmm.
I have to give it?
Yeah. Oh, no, you hand it over to Bhabhi.
Nice. Good.
Now I'd like to invite Paddy to come forward. So, first of all, it's been a tremendous effort from Paddy. He's been driving from Sarjapur to Electronic City every weekend, and he's turned up for all the games. So that's the effort.
So you want me to talk about?
No, yeah. So he has led Jack Sparrows, and true to their name, Jack Sparrows, like in the movie, Captain Jack Sparrow goes through multiple tussles and then he lands at the Black Pearl, the ship. So we are very happy to present the runners-up trophy. Maybe you're short one step this time. So good luck to you the next time. But runners-up trophy to you. We'd like to welcome even Jackson Bhai.
Who's giving it? Shalin is there? No, come.
Aajo. Yeah. Aajo.
He wanted the winners. He wanted to give the winners. See, I made sure he did honest.
2025 में
हाँ नहीं सब लेंगे पहले एक फोटो ले लो.
No, want to speak something?
Okay, so first of all, as you mentioned, I've been driving from Sarjapur all the way here. Even though I'm moved out, the passion is not left. Ahmedabad cricket comes with different passions and people play with different passions. Having said that, yeah, like again, thanks to all the OCs. I think again a brilliant job in terms of how they conducted the tournament. And also Jackson, right? Jackson Dixon. So the reason we have Jack Sparrows is because of Mr. Jack's son, right? But yeah, thanks to the team, I think probably we didn't entertain a lot, and Shalin was a little disappointed. No controversial and no TRP, but got to give it to the team. I think this is well deserved, boys. Good stuff. Yeah. And yeah, congratulations, team. I think led well. I think Dino, right? He made the difference today.
Yes.
Right, so because I think taking the three spear bowlers and going for that many runs, I think you truly made the difference. I think that difference is the one which you guys crossed the line. Again, congratulations to the entire team. Good win, boys. Thanks.
Jackson Bhai, आप आ जाओ. Hand over to the individual
Okay.
team member. आप भी अपना
ये ना?
हाँ वो है लेकिन पहले आप you can say a few words.
So typically I don't speak a lot, but anyway it was critical. I get a very good team based on my characteristic. I'm very happy that I assembled this team. Cannot take any names individually, but I think we had a lot of fun. There were ups and downs. I would like to thank everyone, and I hope we didn't cross the line, but it was fun with all of you guys. I think everyone were laughing. Huh? Yeah. I think that's all.
अंकल आ जाइए आप ट्रॉफी देने आइए सब लोग एक करके आ जाएंगे ऐसे ये ट्रॉफी आ जाओ।
बहुत बढ़िया खिला। ये तो बहुत
So now we come to the trophy that we have been playing for, the Winners' Trophy for the Festive Cup 2025. So we know Ankit Bhai was missing for the past 2-3 minutes. He has rehearsed his lines, para 1, para 2, para 3. So what we have agreed is we'll all give him the loudest round of applause to come forward. To come forward and collect the Winners' Trophy. I'd like to invite Vishal and Kaveri also to come forward. हाँ, आपका टाइमर स्टार्ट होगा. बोलेंगे तब. Before we invite the team, we'll request Ankit Bhai
एंड विशाल इसके बाद आजा इधर आजा.
So we'll request Ankit Bhai to bring out his speech that he has kept with him for last. When did you win? When did you win last time?
With them. विशाल कम. पहले बोल विशाल बोल ना. कम पहले एज एन ओनर बोल.
ओके सो बहुत छोटा सा है बट ये 1.5 महीने पहले यहाँ मिले थे हलवाई के यहाँ पे. युवा सेना के कुछ मेंबर्स मिले थे. सो बस वो छोटा सा स्टोरी है कि मिले थे और सारे प्लेयर आके बोले कि युवा सेना पहुँचती है सेमीफाइनल्स हर बार पहुँचती है बट इस बार ट्रॉफी उठाना है. तो थैंक्स टू युवा सेना एंड थैंक्स टू एवरीवन हु चीयर्ड फॉर अस एंड इस बार उठा लिया गाइस. युवा सेना ने ट्रॉफी उठा लिया है. एंड हाँ और कुछ और बंदे हैं टीम के. स्पेशल मेंशन टू सिड, अंशु, अमरीश भाई, ये सुहासा भाई, नवीन भाई, सो धीरज भाई, निखिल. सो चांस इनको सब नहीं, सारे मैच में नहीं मिलते बट इनको नहीं मिला. बट जब मिलता है सो एक लाइन बोला था एक प्लेयर ने हमारे टीम से कि यू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट वन डे, जब चांस आएगा तो मैच जिताना है. एंड जब अंकित भैया ने सेमीफाइनल में वो इनिंग्स खेला, आफ्टर पूरे लीग मैच में नहीं मिला, सेमीफाइनल में ही प्लेड दैट इनिंग्स एंड दैट टीम बॉन्डिंग, जब वो टीम आता है उसके बाद जब व्हेन यू मेक दो सेंटेंस इनटू रियलिटी ना, तो वो दिखता है टीम के अंदर. जो फर्स्ट डे युवा सेना था और जो फाइनल युवा सेना खेला, टीम बॉन्डिंग में अलग डिफरेंस है. और एक लास्ट चीज़ उसके पहले, बिफोर आई हैंड इट ओवर टू देम, एक लाइन याद रखेंगे युवा सेना हमेशा कि एक बंदा चीते की कहानी सुनाते सुनाते ट्रॉफी जिता गया, और वो है अंकित पिपलानी. ओवर टू यू. टू गुड.
थैंक यू. जब इस टीम में सिलेक्ट हुआ था तो फर्स्ट डे पे विशाल आया. विशाल ने बोला कि आप कैप्टन बनोगे. तो मेरे को लगा यार कि ये बहुत बड़ा ऑनर है, बिकॉज वी हैव अजीत, वी हैव विशाल हिमसेल्फ एंड वी हैव सो मेनी ब्राइट माइंड्स इन द टीम. जब सबने अग्री किया, बोला अंकित भाई आप ही बनोगे. फर्स्ट डे मैच के लिए विशाल ये कैप्टन का मेरे लिए बना के लेकर आया था, और विशाल ने बोला सबको पता चलना चाहिए कि किसी की अगर वापसी हुई है इस टीम में तो बहुत शानदार वापसी हुई है. दिस बैंड आई वोर इट द फर्स्ट डे एंड आई वांटेड टू विन इट फॉर द टीम. उस दिन टीम हारी. सेकेंड डे टीम हारी. मेरा भाई यहाँ पर आया हुआ था. मेरा भाई बोलता है यार तुम्हारे पास बॉलिंग लाइनअप नहीं है. बाहर से बहुत लोग आए, वो लोग बोले तुम्हारे पास बॉलिंग लाइनअप नहीं है. फिर टीम में बात हुई तो हमने बोला कि यार बॉलिंग लाइनअप बनाएंगे. एंड आई थिंक वी स्टॉप ऑल दी ओपोनेंट्स एट 60, 45, 35 एंड मे बी वी हैड समवन एट 20 ऑल्सो, बट वी कुडंट. बट बॉलिंग लाइनअप बनाई जाती है, मेडल्स कमाए जाते हैं, जैसे दंगल में बोलते हैं, मेहनत से, लगन से. टू ऑल द बॉलर्स ऑफ द टीम हु स्टेप्ड अप, दे वर टीम मेंबर्स हु वर नॉट देयर, बट टू ऑल द बॉलर्स हु स्टेप्ड अप, बिकॉज बैटिंग हमारी हमेशा थी. To the fielders who stepped up, they were players like Anshu, Dheeraj, Naveen, Sid, who just came, Nikhil Chaurasia, everyone who just came. To Dino who told me yesterday कि chance मिलेगा, मैं run मार दूंगा. To Vishal who said मैं out नहीं होऊंगा आज, and he lived up to his name except getting out on the last ball. To Ajit in the first 6 matches जो out ही नहीं हो रहा था, and then yesterday and today he said नहीं यार semis और final से out हो जाता हूँ. To Amrish who would take all those run-ups, to Bhabhi and Ayushman who would get him ready 2 hours before. 8 बजे का मैच होता था, 6 बजे मुझे कॉल आता था अमरीश का वार्म अप शुरू हो गया है, बेटा उठा देता था. It takes a family to raise a kid and I think Yuva Sena is that kid which all of us have raised, and I'm really proud कि ये जो बैंड मुझे फर्स्ट डे पहनाया गया था, we have been able to live up to this band. But before that I want to make a mention of a 46-year-old little boy standing over there, Suhasa. There is one incident when that line came कि जब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, एक बॉल मिलेगी, एक और मिलेगा, you need to prepare every day for that opportunity. I think this gentleman inspired all of us. He was a death bowler and everyone wanted to bowl in the death. I came to him, requested him, I said यार starting में डालेगा, बोलेगा जब बोलोगे तब डालूंगा. And this guy used to be the first guy in the nets. From 6 o'clock he would practice with his son. He had to go for an emergency for one game on a Saturday. He went to Mangalore, came back to Mangalore early in the morning at 5 he was here. 2 nights he had not slept, but at 6 in the morning this gentleman was practicing with his son for a game which was scheduled to begin at 10 o'clock. Suhasa, this is for you, and this is for everyone in the team who put their hand up. For Ajit who said कि जो बोलोगे वो मैं करूँगा. It's like a suicide bomber, जहाँ बोलोगे वहीं जाके बॉम्ब गिराऊंगा, but इसने opposition खेमे में ही बॉम्ब गिराया. For Ajit, for Chirag, for Vishal, for Dino, for Chaurasia, for Amrish, for Suhasa, and for every person who put their hand up to make this happen. Festive cups are special, and the first one was for my yoga guru when I got into yoga. The second one was for my daughter. The first one was Ashwathama. Second one was Chakravyu when my daughter was born. And this third one is a hat trick. And this is for Arshad, my gym guru, and the entire team over here who put their hand up. And all the family members who came to support us unconditionally. Thank you for all the love, for all the affection. And thank you for Yuvas for believing in each one of you, because it's a family which is one today. And Yuva Sena, this family is an amazing family. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The Ashirwad of senior citizens. Uncle ने बोला हम सवेरे से पूजा पाठ कर रहे हैं, हवन कर रहे हैं. So for all the senior citizens, please. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Vaibhav.
सीनियर सिटीजन को आप ही बुला लो. अंकल प्लीज आ जाइए अवार्ड देने के लिए।
पूरे टीम के साथ आ जाओ टीम प्लीज कम। बहुत बढ़िया नवीन भाई, बहुत बढ़िया नवीन भाई। सेट यार सेट, बहुत बढ़िया सेट। थोड़ा सा यार बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया सोचा। अमरीश भाई यार, अंशु बहुत बढ़िया यार। सीनियर सिटीजन का सीनियर सुपर सीनियर। अरे बहुत बढ़िया बाबू भैया।
अजय जी
अरे आप दो भाई, आप बेटे को दो। नहीं होएगा अरे ठीक है। तो चले दीजिए
अंकल जी मेरी चौरसिया धीरज भैया पकड़ा दीजिए।
एक और
वो चिराग आ रहा है।
चिरा कर दीजिए। अरे आप
आ गया अंकल, चिराग आ गया। चिराग अंकल उसको दे दीजिए प्लीज।
with a dance form because our men's cricket team and women's cricket team have started this tradition of collecting the main trophy with a dance. अंकित भाई करेंगे। शालीन भाई
वो तो पकड़ा दो पहले, वो वाला तो पकड़ा दो।
दे दिया था वो। हाँ
शालीन भाई से जी हमको ट्रॉफी, शालीन भाई से चैंपियंस से 7 मन अभी ग्रुप वापसी होगी, इसको आगे देखना। आ जाओ सीट आ गया, सीट आ जा, सीट शालीन भाई
रखो अपने पास।
भाई डांस करेगा
नहीं ऑफ नहीं कर सकते, उधर ही रख दो।
सीट यार। बेस्ट बैडमिंटन प्लेयर इन अजमेरा। आजा फैमिली आ जाओ। कलर सेम है हमारा। बैठी गई उसके ऊपर।